I think it's important for a small business to have a high quality website because it's an integral marketing tool. Everybody is doing searches online now. Nobody really uses the yellow book anymore to find anything. So they would use small search terms like plumber, Scottsdale AZ. So what BizIQ does is we build a website that shows up when you do those search terms, and it's really easy to navigate for the customer, and it's basically like an online business card for your business.
First and foremost, it makes you look professional. It makes you legitimate in the consumer's eyes. In the end, you want your consumers to be able to find you very easily. And without a website, think about a Google search. Everybody's searching on Google. And without that website, how's Google going to find you? And in the end, you really want consumers to be able to have the ease of shopping with you. So a lot of consumers are shopping online or even window shopping. This gives them the opportunity to find something that they need right away so they can use your business.
Web design and web development team, we try to look at it as if it's our own business. We really put that much effort into it and think about every factor as if we would with our own.
I think the development team has an excellent work ethic. I think we all individually take a lot of pride in what we do, and we all take pride in helping our customers grow their businesses and grow as a company. We all collaborate a lot. We're all individually working on our own areas to make sure that we as a department grow. And I really do feel like we have a dream team with our group right now. Everybody has their own strengths, and we kind of all collaborate together.
Knowing that you have somebody that is committed to developing you a solid, beautiful website that not only you can be proud of, but your existing customers and your new customers can be proud of as well.